Welcome to the AI Made Movies channel. Have you ever wondered what happens when art and artificial intelligence collide? In mid-2022, a technological revolution took the world by storm. This wasn't the dawn of a new era, but rather the emergence of a unique phenomenon, AI-generated art. Almost overnight, this fusion of technology and creativity became a global sensation. This wasn't simply a new trend or passing fad. It was a seismic shift in how we perceive and engage with the world of art. This innovative convergence of machine learning and artistic expression captivated audiences, challenged conventions, and sparked heated debates. The rise of AI art has undeniably left an indelible mark on the cultural landscape, rapidly gaining popularity and influencing a multitude of creative fields. But with every revolution, there is always a controversy. Now we delve into the darker side of AI art. Imagine being an artist, and one day a machine takes over your job. This is the stark reality for some creatives as we venture deeper into the realm of AI-generated art. The rise of this new medium has given birth to a wave of fear and uncertainty. It's a revolution that threatens to leave some human artists jobless, as machines prove capable of creating stunningly intricate pieces of art. But the threat is not only to the artist's livelihood. The very authenticity and uniqueness of art, what makes art art, is under siege. Can a machine's output, born from algorithms and data, capture the same depth and nuance as a human's brushstroke? Can it convey emotion, tell a story, or provoke thought in the same way? These questions have ignited heated debates across the globe, and there's the legal quagmire. Who owns the copyright to a piece of art created by an AI? Is it the developer who programmed the AI, or the AI itself? These uncharted waters have led to legal battles that continue to play out in courtrooms worldwide. Critics argue that AI art lacks the soul and emotion, reducing art to mere algorithms. The essence of human creativity seemed threatened. But is it fair to dismiss AI art entirely? Or should we view it as another tool in the artist's kit, one that could potentially lead to a new era of creative expression? As we continue to explore the implications of AI art, these are the questions we must grapple with. But it isn't all doom and gloom. There is a brighter side to AI art. This revolution, like many before it, has its silver linings. Let's take a moment to appreciate the benefits that have come with the rise of AI-generated art. Firstly, it has opened doors for collaboration. Artists from various backgrounds have found a new partner in creativity: artificial intelligence. This unlikely alliance has led to a fusion of human ingenuity with machine precision, creating a unique genre of art that pushes the boundaries of what we traditionally understand as art. This synergy between man and machine has given rise to an entirely new form of expression, where the artist's vision is translated into reality through the precision and capabilities of AI. This partnership has led to some of the most innovative and unique artworks of our time, reminding us that art is not just about the past, but also about the future. Furthermore, AI art has democratized the creative process. No longer is the creation of art confined to those with years of training or natural talent. Now anyone with an idea and access to an AI art generator can create something beautiful. Art has truly become accessible to all, providing an outlet for people from all walks of life to express themselves creatively. Moreover, AI art has expanded the boundaries of human imagination. By creating artworks that were once thought impossible, AI has pushed us to reconsider our notions of what can be achieved in the realm of art. It has challenged us to dream bigger, to imagine more boldly, and to explore the uncharted territories of our creativity. In conclusion, while there are valid concerns surrounding the rise of AI art, it's important to recognize the positives that have emerged from this revolution. AI art has become a tool for innovation, pushing the boundaries of what we once thought was impossible. It has transformed the way we create, perceive, and interact with art, and that, in itself, is a testament to the power of human creativity and innovation. Now, what does the future hold for AI art? As we gaze into the horizon, the potential of AI art seems limitless. This isn't just about creating visually appealing pieces, it's about pushing the boundaries of what we consider art, and even what we consider creativity. Artificial intelligence, in its essence, is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a mirror reflecting our own potential back at us, and when this potential meets the realm of art, the possibilities are boundless. Imagine a world where AI isn't just a tool but a collaborator, an entity that doesn't just follow instructions but contributes ideas, bringing unique perspectives to the table. A world where art becomes a universal language, bridging the gap between humans and machines. But let's not forget the human element. The magic of art lies in its ability to evoke emotions, to tell stories, to connect with the viewer on a deeply personal level. And as we move forward, it's crucial that we find a balance, a blend of human creativity and AI's computational power. In the end, the emergence of AI art is both controversial and groundbreaking. It's a testament to the potential of artificial intelligence, a testament to the symbiosis of man and machine. AI art is here to stay. Thank you for watching the AI Made Movies channel. If you like movies like this, please consider subscribing. Give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell to be notified when new movies are posted, and enjoy the amazing world of AI.